What's up, folks? How we doing? Thanks for checking out the video. We got the old crock pot rolling right now. Still very early in the cook, but what we've got going on here is Whole30 compliant Mississippi pot roast. And I know what you're saying. How can you make a pot roast or a Mississippi pot roast that's Whole30 compliant? Because it takes butter, and you can't have butter, dairy, sugar, anything like that on Whole30. We used ghee, so it's got 4 large tablespoons of ghee, some real au jus sauce made from the meat, and peppercini sauce, and then some spices to take the place of ranch. So with the spices, we use chives, garlic, dill, and fresh ground pepper. But this should be pretty good. A Whole30 compliant Mississippi pot roast.